Left leg's a little longer. All right. Gonna bring this over like this. Like that. Can you roll over a little bit like that? There you go. Kind of like you're just rolling off the couch like that. And I'm gonna twist you a little bit like this right here. Ready? Woo! Yeah, that was good. Give me 5. Nice. Check that out. Lift up like this. I'm gonna squeeze you. Drop down. Right here. Oh. Oh, you heard that? Yeah. Sound like Rice Krispies, right? That was nice. Thanks for coming in, man.